Hello and welcome to Forex Lens. In this video, we're going to give you a brief tour to help introduce you to the different areas of the membership portal, all the tools, the education, and the content that you have access to with your membership. Let's get started. Along the top, you're going to notice that we're showing you the real times for each of the major markets, and if you hover over them, you're also going to see a tooltip to help explain a little bit of information about them, and that might help some more of our more new or novice traders. Along the top here, you're also going to see there's a notification bell. When it's orange and lit up, that means that there's been some updates or notifications. In this particular case, all you need to do is click on here, and it's going to show you what those notifications were since the last time you cleared them. You can either clear all, or delete them individually. And when you're finished with this window, just click to go back to the desktop. There is also a position size calculator, and this is an incredibly handy tool for traders because it helps take all of the guesswork about how much you want to risk per trade based on your risk percentage. And we actually have a video in the library in the education section that will explain how to use that. So we won't go into that right now, but just know that it's always accessible right here and from within the trade ideas as well. So it makes it really convenient and handy. All of the math will be done for you so that you can execute your trade ideas quickly. And again, when you have a pop-up like this, just click back on the main desktop to close it. There is also access to the TradingView charts. That's this area up in here for new traders, and you can either open it by clicking here or by clicking up here. So either one of these two will open up the TradingView. And within this, you have the ability to zoom in and out by pinching or navigating with the mouse. You can change the pairs. You can change the time frames that's being displayed. Everything is in there and built in. You can change the way that you're viewing, whether it be candlesticks or bars. And you can even use a split screen. So as you start becoming more advanced, you might want to compare more than one currency or more than one time frame on an existing currency. And one of the greatest things about the Forex Lens membership is you actually can compare 4 at once. And that's usually a paid upgrade, but you're actually getting that as part of your membership. So you can set the same pair on 4 different time frames or compare different currencies, whatever you want. It's all in there. And again, it's included with your membership. Just click on the X to close it. And just under that area there, you're going to see that we have real-time data on Forex pairs and their values, cryptos and altcoins, even the indices. So everything that you would need is right there. It's very handy, and it's always just a click away. Below that is important financial news and global news that might be impacting the markets. So again, that real-time feed is great for getting information and knowing when it's going to be coming and how that might impact the markets. You'll also see either recent trade ideas or updates to trade ideas will be here, and newly added videos will be here. So again, this main dashboard is really great for very quickly accessing the type of information you want. Let's have a look at the side navigation next. Starting at the bottom here in the settings, if you ever wanted to change your settings for the language, because we do offer the memberships in English, Spanish, and French. So all you would need to do is click into the settings, into language, and then you can change your setting here, and everything will be updated on the portal to reflect the language you select, and it will also change you to the trader that you'll be following in that language. So navigating back to the main dashboard, you can actually click on the logo if you need to get back to the main dashboard as well. So let's go back from the top here. So if you haven't yet joined Discord, we do have a video in the education quick start system. We recommend that you join Discord because it's an incredible tool for creating community, for getting information, for getting updates, for getting more analysis, and just for being able to interact with the community, because trading can be lonely. So we recommend take full advantage of the Discord community and get as much information as you can from there. It's an invaluable asset for you. If you don't have Discord downloaded, when you click on it, will actually take you right through the prompts and help you walk through exactly how to set it up. But like I said, we do have a video as well that can help you. Another tool that's going to be incredibly important for you is the live sessions. Now, if you click onto the live sessions, what will happen is the portal will automatically detect what language you're following and will display for you the traders and the live session times available to you in that language. In this case, we're in English, so there are 3 different sessions. There's Price Action New York Live, Smart Money London Live, and Smart Money New York Live. Now, if you're brand new to trading, you might find Price Action might be a little bit easier to follow, or if you're more willing to put in the time for learning, or if you're looking for more advanced courses, the Smart Money sessions might be a better fit for you. All you need to do is, when the session is actually live, just click join, And what will happen is along the bottom there, you get a chance to submit a question during the session. And the traders are incredibly patient. They love to teach. They'll answer any questions if you want them to look at a specific pair, to repeat something, if you want to ask them about an altcoin or something about crypto, go ahead and ask that. There'll always be a time in every live session for question and answer period. And all you need to do is type it in and submit Ask Trader. Now, the sessions are incredibly detailed and you get a lot of value with that. But if you happen to have a time conflict and you're not able to join the sessions when they're live, don't worry. All you need to do is go into the past live sessions, and all of the sessions are recorded and posted there so that it's easy for you to watch at any time when it's convenient for you, so you never have to worry about missing any of the information. Let's go back to the main dashboard menu here and go down to the trade ideas. Now, the trade ideas are segmented based on the trade style or the trade strategy. So you'll see price action trade ideas, smart money trade ideas, supply and demand trade ideas, other ideas, and even some smart scalping if you're someone who likes to get in and out of the markets really quickly. If you're a little bit more advanced and you understand the style, this might be better for you. Otherwise, you can follow the trader that you're actually following in the live sessions, the one that suits your style the most. Let's take a look at a trade idea. All the main information is available right here on the card before you even open it, including the status, the pair, the type of order, and all of the information that you would need, including a link to the chart in case you wanted to see what it was that the trader identified to make this a great idea for trading. Click on the X to go back, and if you want to see the entire trade, you can open it up like this. Now, again, you're going to see that image. You can click on that for a larger view of the chart, so you can zoom in on it and see what the traders are seeing. But all this information is here, and it makes it really easy to follow. The status, the pair that's being traded, the order type, even the entry price, the take profits. In this case, there's actually 3 different take profits suggested here, and the stop loss. That's one of the most important things that we teach, is setting a stop loss for insurance. So if the trade doesn't go our way, it makes sure that you've mitigated any kind of risk or potential for loss. And then all you need to do is, when you see it, if you're agreeing with that number, you can click here to copy it, and it just makes it a little bit easier to paste into MT4, whatever trade platform you're using. The timestamp here will show you the date that the idea was sent out, and down here will be the most recent comment. Now, the great thing over here is you can actually see that there is a sort of a timeline view here, so you can see when the trade idea was opened, when take profit 1 was reached, and then when take profit 2 was reached. All those kinds of comments, and if they're recommending that you make an adjustment to your stop loss, to adjust to break even, any of those kind of strategic recommendations will be actually broadcast within the trade ideas. And if you're part of the Discord community, then you're actually getting those notifications right to your phone, so you never have to miss an alert. You can stay informed. And so it's really important to be part of that Discord community to get all the information that you need right to your phone, never miss the information. Let's go back to this main dashboard again. If you want to have a glance at how the performance has been over time, we do have a pip gains count tracker in here, so you can see the steady performance of our traders and why it's so invaluable to be tuning into their sessions to understand why they're so profitable consistently. Now, if you are really time starved and you don't have time to join the live sessions, but you don't want to miss out on getting a finger on the pulse of the market, then what you can do, if maybe you're on your break at work or your lunch at work, you can take 10 minutes and see one of these overview summary videos by your traders, giving you a very high level explanation of the market conditions and what opportunities they may be seeing, and high level directions, the kinds of things that are being covered in the live sessions, but you can get a snapshot in about 10 minutes. And that way, if you're missing the live session, you can go back and watch the recorded live session later on, but at least you still had a very brief update and a high level analysis that will help you keep your finger on the pulse of the markets during the day. Now, for all the training, whether that be beginning or advanced, all that information is actually available within the Education tab. Let's have a look here. And within the Education tab, you're going to find that we've structured all of the content in here for you very easily. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3 for anyone who's brand new getting started. And if you're more advanced, then you can always go to the price action or smart money section. But we do actually have a video that will cover all of the information within here and how to use the education system. So for now, let's go back to the main dashboard. And finally, we have this FAQ section here. And this is an incredible tool, particularly for newcomers, but it gives you everything that you'll need at a glance So if you're looking for a glossary of terms, if you're looking for vocabulary, if you don't know what a down candle is, for example, just click on there and it'll give you that information at a glance. It's a great tool, and it's really valuable. If you have two screens, a lot of our traders, when they're learning, will actually watch the live sessions on one screen and have this available on the other, so that you can very quickly, if you have a question, you can go ahead and find the answer here while you're watching. Now, if you don't want to scroll, because it is a pretty exhaustive list, all you need to do is come up to the top here in the search window icon and just type in, maybe you're brand new and you don't know what a pip is. Just type in pip and all the relevant results for the searches are going to come up there. So that's a really quick and easy way to get all the information you need at a glance while you're learning. And again, it's all about speeding up that learning curve for you so that you can get started quickly if you're a beginner, and to help enhance your consistent profitability if you're more advanced. So that concludes the tour. We want to welcome you again to Forex Lens, to the community, and we can't wait to see you on the live sessions and help you start to achieve some consistent profitability in both Forex and crypto trading.